Hi, in this video we'll see how to make homemade pizza. For that, let's first look at the pizza sauce recipe. To make pizza sauce, heat a little butter in a pan. Once it is melted, add the chopped garlic. Once garlic turns little brown, add the tomato puree. Along with some water, allow the tomato to cook for 5 minutes or until the raw flavor is gone. Here I'm adding oregano and red chilli. If you have pizza seasoning or Italian seasoning, you can substitute it for oregano. I'm adding a little salt and sugar. Sugar helps in balancing the sourness of the tomato paste. Allow them to cook for 10 minutes. Once it reduces, we are ready to make the pizza. The pizza sauce should be a little thicker. If it is too thin, we may get a soggy pizza. Here for the pizza base, I am using the focaccia bread recipe which was shown earlier. You can check the link in the description or in the iCard. I have used the same quantity for making this pizza base as well. Roll it into medium thickness. It shouldn't be too thin like a chapati. Rather, it should be a little thick. I have added little oregano to the dough while kneading it. That is completely optional. In a baking pan, add a little oil and sprinkle in semolina, also known as rava. Now transfer the spread pizza base to the baking sheet. Adding rava helps in making the crust a little crispier and also prevents it from sticking to the pan. Poke the pizza dough so that it doesn't puff up while baking. Now spread the sauce all over the base. Don't add too much sauce as it will make the pizza very soggy. Here I am using mozzarella cheese and the quantity I am using is also very less. I am topping the pizza with sweet corn and sliced onion. You can add chicken, paneer or any topping of your choice. Since I had very little mozzarella cheese, I am adding cheese slices as well. While you are topping the pizza, ensure that you preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. I have baked them for 10 minutes with both the rods on, and the last 5 minutes I let it bake with only the top rod on. This came out really well. It had the perfect texture. It is completely made from scratch and made with whatever available at home. Now let us look at how to make pizza without oven. I have followed the same process. Instead of the baking sheet, I have taken a steel plate. I have oiled it and sprinkled in rava. I have spread the dough. The process is same, nothing changes. Instead of baking them in the oven, we are going to do it in an idli cooker. I have preheated the cooker for 10 minutes and placing the pizza base, and I cooked them for 12 to 15 minutes in medium flame. I have added cheese only to one part of the pizza because someone in my family doesn't have cheese. It tasted really yum without the cheese as well. In fact, the texture of the pizza made in the cooker came out much better than which was made in the oven. You can see how soft and how porous the base is. Do give it a try and let us know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching.